in the last lecture, we basically finished our shopping list service, but here's one thing which is not working. I can click this add button as often as I want. I don't get an error, but I also don't see it getting added to this list. The reason for this is that when we call get ingredients, which we of course do to populate this list, we only get a slice of the ingredients array, so we get a copy. Therefore, once we add a new ingredient, which we of course don't add to the copy but to the original array, that is not reflected in our components where we only have that copy to work with. Now, there are a couple of ways of solving this. For the easiest solution, you could remove slice, and that's not necessarily bad. You would then simply return the original array. And if you are sure you don't accidentally edit it somewhere, this might not be wrong. I choose this approach here though, because I want to show you a different solution. We basically have to inform our component that new data is available. So I will simply add a new event emitter here, and I'll name it ingredients changed. And I'll set this to, or I'll of course set this to a new event emitter to be imported from @Angular core. This event emitter now can emit our ingredient array. So the type it will pass on is an array of ingredients. And now here, whenever we change this array, we simply call this ingredients changed and emit a new event. And we of course pass a value here, our original ingredients array, though to be precise, again, only a copy of it. So now we always have the right ingredients array in this service, and we inform other interested components about that change in the event we're emitting here. So now in the shopping list component, besides getting the ingredients at the point of time we load the app, I also want to reach out to my shopping list service and simply subscribe to that ingredients changed event. So now whenever ingredients change, I know that I will get them. This will be of type ingredient array here as we learned. And now I can use them here in the body of this anonymous function I'm passing to subscribe. And here I can now simply set this ingredients equal to the ingredients I got here. And with this change in place, now if we let the application reload here and go to shopping list, and now I add bread, and now you see it gets added here again without any issues, because now we're getting informed that something changed.